Hi everyone, how are you doing? August is a hot month here. It was so hot it made me feel drowsy and unmotivated. However, I still made some progress in my bullet journal. Bullet journal is not only a good planning system, it also helps reviewing what you have done in the past month. I don't know if you have ever had this kind of feeling, that in the end of the month it feels like you've accomplished nothing. But if you have a good habit to use bullet journal daily, when you look back, you would be surprised how much you've accomplished. So, how is your August so far? If you feel empty, check back your bullet journal. You would definitely be amazed by the things you did. If you haven't started a bullet journal yet, September is a good month to start. Don't wait. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm setting a beach theme for this month because September is almost the last month of summer. We should try to enjoy the last bit of it before the full season is coming. Also, you probably can't believe that I have been working from home for almost 1 year and a half. Though I like it, sometimes I feel trapped. Since the pandemic, I can't travel or enjoy traveling as much as I liked before. This theme is one of the ways to keep me optimistic and happy. I found a quote that really interesting about ocean, so I included on the front page. This literally describes what I want to do. What's your way to keep yourself optimistic? Leave comments down below and share with me. Here, I want to write a sentence to remind myself on the second page. Live your own life. Because I'm more a spontaneous person, I do things based on my mood. This is not bad because when the mood is right, I'm so energetic and productive. However, when I'm lazy to plan or make any schedule, I tend to do things based on other people's requests. Then I will end up finishing works from other people but not mine. This sentence will be a good reminder for me that I only have one life. I have to make a good plan out of it to accomplish the things that I like. What's your life quote? Or what's the quote that would describe your life right now? Share with me in the comments. The next page is my regular setup. There is plenty space for my to-dos for this month in every perspective, such as career, learning, health, household, and whatnot. The other half is for September memories. I usually draw some highlights of the month here to visually remind myself some big events or to keep good memories. The next 2 pages, I'm still keeping the ocean themes and add some elements that associate with ocean or with the activities that we usually do at the beach. Additionally, I design a productivity tracker for this month. Half of it will be for my personal life and half of it will be for my work. I've been using a page-a-day style to write down to-dos and the events or the activities that I actually did for the past few months. so I could have an idea where my time all goes and ask myself, am I productive? Do I waste my time on surfing internet or watching YouTube videos? This has been a good system so far. And now I want to add these 2 pages to have a glance of my productivity in a whole month. It will be a Pomodoro style. If I finish a productive Pomodoro session, I will use my highlighter to draw a short line on the day. In the end of the month, I could use this to review how productive I am. And then here, I still keep this month and the next month. So for this month section, since I already have to-dos from previous page, so this might be an area for me to just write some highlights or write a review. For next month section, usually I will keep some to-do events or to-do activities over here, so I could write down or have a head of plan for next month. Then it comes to the daily spread. This is a new style that I designed. On the left, I will write my daily to-dos from personal life. I have another notebook for my work, and so this would be only for my personal things. And on the right, where there is a timeline, I will lock down all the activities that I do in a day. This is for me to be aware about time, so I wouldn't use too much time for a single task. And the rest of the space, I would write my daily Bible reading notes, daily journal, or draw something that is the highlight of my day. So that's it. This is my beach theme September bullet journal. Hope you enjoyed it and will start your bullet journal this month. When you write something out, it helps review how your life goes. As long as we improve a little bit every day, the compound effect will be huge by the end of the year. Hope this setup inspired you. I also prepare free printable for you to have a quick start. If you download it, make sure to leave a comment to let me know or say thank you. I would appreciate it. I also would love to see how your bullet journal turns out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.